Well, there it is. The next wall that I'll be following. And now I'm at the wall. I don't know if this is also the Chinese wall or if there's another name for it. But either way, I follow this for half of the day. And then I'm going to cut over to the Spotted Bear Trail, which has an additional wall for me to follow the rest of the day. So I've been poking all of the bear poop I find, and there's only one that I would have judged from like a day ago, which was a black bear. Just encountered one that was definitely grizzly, but it'd probably been done earlier this week. Like, it's not fresh anymore. No bear tracks. I did find some like fresh elk signs, like prints, and then they obviously had just peed there this morning in the dirt. But no, not really any signs of bears, no sightings of bears, nothing like that. I'm starting to begin to think that bears don't really exist. Well, not really, but it's like the whole meme where birds are a lie. Starting to think that about bears, jokingly. Bears aren't real. It's September 6th, and there's still snow out here. It's 90 degrees, and I'm sweating my ass off, feeling like awful and overheated. And there's still snow. Just look at that. Just look at that. There's still snow out here. How? How? Come on. So I'm sitting here having a break, and I look up, and over there, just right around there, a stoat came running down the trail and then into the brush. Like, it happened too fast. I wasn't able to get my camera out for it, but it was a stoat. Like, no question about it. That's what that was. That was awesome to see that. Snow. I'm currently taking the connector trail that goes to Switchback Pass that connects the red line to the Spotted Bear alternate. I think I might get the midpoint at the highest point here. It's still very hazy off in the distance from the fires, like in the surrounding area, but it was a butt kicker getting up that. I have not been doing good miles today. I've been really slowing down. It's just been way brutally too hot. I'm just sweating so much, and it's taking a lot out of me, and I keep having to take breaks to just cool off in the shade. Met back up with the Spotted Bear alternate, and it's maybe a little bit more than 10 miles before it reconnects with the red line, and we get more views of walls on this side. Yeah, I feel kind of salty. I ate on the other side of this lake dinner because I was going to camp here, and then I came over here to the campsite, and this other guy shows up. I told him that I was over there because I wanted to eat not in camp, and then he just kind of sits here and pulls out his dinner and makes food right where I'm camping. And then when I left to hang my food, he left. Great, so now I'm alone, and someone had just cooked dinner here. You know, when I made all the effort to eat dinner way over there. That's pretty upsetting. Like, dude, I'm camping alone. I'm trying to make an effort to not attract grizzlies. That's not great.